Yo guys, what's going on? So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up the Alcantara steering wheel off my beloved 2017 Camaro SS. This has been my dream car for a long time. However, with the previous owner, it does have some wear and tear, not a lot, but why not clean this up? So the way we're gonna do it is something very basic. We're just gonna use some Tide detergent, some hot water, a toothbrush, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is basically what we're going to be using. Some dish detergent, your regular Tide, and some softener. If you're brown, you know how clutch these yogurt containers come. Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of this detergent, get in there, and a little bit of softener. We'll mix it up in just a second. And we're going to use this towel as well. And if you do have any sort of old toothbrush laying around, this is going to come in clutch. Alright, guys, step number 2, we're going to take this dry towel and just get a bit damp. Make sure you get it completely wet. There you go. And then rinse it out. Alright guys, so if you take a look, you can see that it is definitely not in the best quality, especially in the 9 and 3s. So to begin, step number 3, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this wet towel, or damp towel shall I say, and kinda just get it a bit wet. Alright guys, step number 4, just go ahead, mix up all the detergents. And let's get to scrubbing. Keep doing this all across the steering wheel, and then we'll get back to the next step. All right, next up what I did was took a little bit of the detergent water, put it on top of this towel, and gave this a little bit of a wipe down. As you can see, she's glistening right now, a little bit on the wet side, but let's see what happens next. What I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna do this shifter knob here as well, just so it gives that consistent clean feeling throughout both things. Alright, next step, take that same rag, put it in some water. What we're gonna do is, we're just gonna rinse this out. Alright, so once this has been rinsed out, what we're gonna do is just go over this, try to get as much of the detergent out before we go on to the next step. Alright guys, so this is basically the end result. Feels so much better, so much more fluffier. It's still a little bit damp, so what I'm going to do is after I shut off the camera, I'm going to run it through this microfiber towel a few more times just to get all the moisture out, but honestly, night and day difference. Alright guys, so we're finally done here. I'm super happy with the results. I really don't think you need to spend $20, $30 just to get a cleaner, to get this thing back to life. 20, 30 bucks, this thing's already a gas guzzler, but again, I know I can't complain about this thing drinking a lot of gas or anything along those lines. But I will be doing some more mods to this over the next couple of months for sure. Probably some aesthetic mods, some performance mods, may get a new exhaust over the next few weeks. Currently I do have a secondary cat delete. I'll show that to you guys in a second. And yeah, if you already haven't, follow me on Instagram. It's Veli, VELI Hustle, HUSS 1LE. And yeah, till next time, peace.